Hey, real estate investors out there, investors around the world, you guys that are buying the cryptos and the ETFs, the mutual funds, playing the stock market. Maybe you're trading hour to hour, you're buying, sell, buying, sell, buying, sell. I want to share with you some of the reasons why people don't get invested in real estate, some misconceptions. If you don't know who I am, Grant Cardone, I own $4 billion worth of real estate, mostly multifamily. We have some office and some retail, but mostly multifamily, about 12,000 apartments around the United States. Average rent is about $2,000 a month, so do the math. 12,400 units times about $2,000 a month. And real estate's on a freaking tear right now. For years, I'm in Las Vegas right now. This market is on fire. I'm at Mirage Hotel, and I happen to be doing a speaking event for a group called EXP, which is got 68,000 real estate agents already in its platform. But that's not the kind of real estate I'm talking about, okay? I'm not talking about buying and selling a house or flipping or wholesale. I'm talking about building a massive portfolio like some of these big institutions are doing. Look, the chances of me ever being a great golfer, zilch. Basketball player, zilch. Movie star, zilch. Comedian, no chance. But the chance of you and I, and even a business owner, by the way, the chances of making a really, really big business, very, very small. The chances of you becoming $1 million, $1 million, $5 million, $10 million player in real estate, let me tell you, that is possible for everyone, regardless of your situation, okay? Now, you don't need an education, you don't need to be funny, you don't need to be talented, you don't need to be connected, you don't even need a great credit score, and you probably don't need even any cash, but you do need and will need some information, okay? Now I'm gonna do a free training, I'm gonna give it to you, they'll put a link down below. Grab that free training for yourself. This works everywhere. You could be in South America, North America, Canada, Europe, Singapore, Australia. What I'm gonna share with you at this free training is workable and doable anywhere as long as you know exactly what you're looking for. I started with no money. This was 30 years ago. I don't know what my credit score was. I didn't know anything about credit scores. I just know I had a job that was paying me about $60,000 a year. I had no cash. I had virtually no credit. I didn't have bad credit. I just didn't have any credit. And I got started in real estate with no money. I bought 2 deals, then I bought a third deal. The third deal I made $5 million on with no money, virtually none of my own money in the deal. So I'm gonna share with you right now a few misconceptions. I'm telling you, I did this. I did it in my spare time, starting with no cash. Ended up 1 deal, 2nd deal, a 3rd deal, all in a period of about, 18 months. And the pool guys are over here. And my 3rd deal made me $5 million. So I don't know if your first deal, 2nd deal, 3rd deal is gonna make you $5 million, but I know this, if you never do a deal, you're never gonna make $5 million. You gotta get in the game. And where you live today, for all you guys out there that are hyping on the cryptos, and you maybe you're a gold bug and you're trying to, buy gold and silver right now because you're worried about inflation. And for all of you out there that are playing the market, the casino, the Wall Street market, and you're buying ETFs and mutual funds, and for all of you out there that got retirement accounts, so foolish. Or for all of you out there that have a bunch of equity in your home, okay? There is an opportunity for you right now to learn how to use your skill set in your city where you live, within 6 blocks of where you live. I guarantee there's a $1 million score if you just knew what to look for, okay? But I'm not gonna start with exactly what you're gonna look for. I'll show you that in the training. What I wanna do in this video is share with you the 5 misconceptions that you may have about real estate that keeps you from becoming a million, a decamillion, a 100 millionaire in the real estate game. And all that's possible and doable because the chance of you becoming an NFL player, NBA player, the next Kevin Hart, Tom Cruise, whatever, the chance of that happening are zilch. Hate to be the one to break that information to you. Chance of you becoming worth $10 million investing in real estate, it's got to be 1 million times greater than you winning the lottery or becoming the next A-list celebrity. Okay, number one biggest misconception, it takes money. It does not actually take money to buy real estate. It does take people. It does not take money. You don't have to have money to buy a deal. I can show you in your marketplace how to go buy a deal this weekend with virtually no money at all. Number two, some of you believe that debt is bad. In commercial real estate, the kind of real estate that I buy, debt is not bad. Debt is your friend. Debt is great. Debt is positive. Debt pays you. You make money with debt. We don't actually want to get rid of our debt in the kind of real estate that I'm buying. We want to take on more debt. The reason why is because the tax implications are great and it provides leverage or more passive income. I'll explain all this in the training and where you should be going to get your debt, because some of you, when you go to get your debt, you think you're going to go to your bank to get it. That's not where you get it from, okay? I'll share that with you in the training as well. Three, this old idea of buy low, sell high, this is not how to make the big money in real estate. Now, I know some of you are going to be like, no, man, you got to buy low and you got to sell high. Most of you that have that belief can't buy anything because you're trying to buy low and you're trying to sell high. But you can't sell high if you don't own it. I've never made money on a deal I didn't own. So when you guys are killing one another over $5,000 on a $5 million deal, look, you could put 5,000, divide 5,000 by 5 million. It's going to be like 0.0000001 on the computers. It doesn't even matter or change the deal. Okay, the buy low, sell high is better. The new philosophy is buy the best property you can, have positive cash flow, and wait to sell it at a higher price. 4, buy the you know the old adage about buy the least expensive house in the most expensive neighborhood. I like part of that. I don't like the first part. I don't want to buy the garbage. I'm done with garbage. The reason middle-class America never gets ahead is it's buying garbage and leftovers, while the institutions are buying trophy assets, the best locations, okay, and they're paying the price to get it. And a sports team, okay, look at a sports team. Why do these guys, these wealthy people, put money into a sports team that has a negligible cash flow and pay a premium to get it? Because they want the tax write-offs. Don't you understand that? They don't want the income. They actually want the tax write-offs. They want the losses. They're in a position to do that. And they know that if they buy the best team in the game, they're going to end up with the biggest appreciation. That's what you're really looking for anyway, to create wealth, is appreciation. Number 5, all of you out there trying to keep 100% of the deal, you're insane. You need partners in real estate. In this training, I'm going to show you how to find the right partners, not a rip-off partner. I'm going to show you how to find partners. I'm going to show you how to actually get people to fund your deal for you. The link below will get you there. I don't know what link they're going to give you. It's probably grantcardone.com/REI. Stands for real estate investing. It's completely free. There's no strings attached, okay? It's going to show you how to buy the best real estate and how to start accumulating massive amounts of real estate. You think I'm kidding? You think that's an overplug? Give me 3 hours. You give me 3 hours at this training. Get rid of your kids for 3 hours, okay? Get rid of your main job for 3 hours. Give me your complete undivided attention for 3 hours. I'm going to show you how to get a deal that makes you and your family a millionaire. And this isn't a come on. This isn't some out of the world promise. I've done this for a lot of people already. I'm in Vegas. There's 5,000 real estate people here that they've been selling real estate for probably 25 years on average. I've had hundreds of them come up to me in the last couple of days and say, man, because of you, because of your training, because of your real estate training, I'm not just selling real estate now, I'm buying it. I'm buying it for my family so we can get passive income, we can get the tax deductions, and most importantly, we can get the appreciation. GrantCardone.com/REI. Don't miss this thing, please. Get your spouse involved, okay? All the deadbeats in your life, that ain't gonna work, that ain't gonna work. Bring them. I'll freaking convert them. I'll take them from whatever they believe or don't believe or are confused about. I guarantee you I'll convert them, because this thing is simple. This game is so simple. It's unbelievable. And when you see it for yourself, not only are you gonna be like, you're gonna wake up, I guarantee you, okay? Guarantee you, I'm talking to you, specifically you, you're gonna buy your first deal and you're gonna make $1 million on your first deal. Say that's only 20% of what I did on my first big deal, which was $5 million. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you do $10 million. Let's go. Click the link below.